Welcome friends, it's New Year's Day 2021 and we are on the road. We're on the road to the zoo. Sarah's driving. How does this compare to Mario Kart?
Much easier.
Woodward, party time, excellent. Around about with a statue of a weed. I feel like I got a New Year's Day hangover, even though I really didn't drink that much last night.
How many glasses of wine did you have?
Looking foxy in my new jumper. Do you want to be in my troop or what? Highlight of the day so far?
Coffee. No, actually, the monkey.
The monkey, the grinning monkey.
Yeah. No, that was worth coming all the way to the zoo just for the monkey.
We'll have to remember what time we got here and what time they started walking around, because the animals seem a lot more active than they usually are.
Midday it was.
Right, midday.
Pretty much.
Ah, we have a cat. Yeah. I haven't got any food, sorry. Stevie T on location with Sarah B. One of our favourite places, one of our favourite haunts. We've got season tickets, you see, so we're making good use of them. We weren't able to come to the zoo for several months just after we bought the season tickets. We bought
the annual pass on the 14th of February and went into lockdown on the 15th of March.
That was a shrewd move.
This is probably our 6th visit, so it's definitely been worth the money. The annual pass is €55.
Still €55.
As far as I'm aware.
So the €55 is regardless of whether you're a resident or a tourist?
Yeah, it's just an annual pass.
So if you come to the zoo more than once a year, then it's worth it. These next few months will be a time for preparation rather than actually bringing in any revenue.
I was going to say, I don't think anyone's going to be particularly making any money, but it's just, I think, like you say, the next few months will be preparation for, hopefully, when things get to some sort of normality.
There is lots of work going on in most places across the island. They're doing a load of stuff here. The last time we were here, they were cordoning off areas and building. And now we've come back, some of those new places are open. Maybe we should go and see the giraffes if they're around.
Do we have to walk all our way?
Let's get some exercise in. We're going for a walk.
Oh.
I haven't got any food. Sorry. No.